In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Telegram app has stopped error on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So whether you are trying to open Telegram and you got this pop-up, or you have no business with Telegram but you are constantly getting this error, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix it on your phone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to fix this, first we need to troubleshoot our Telegram app. To do this, go to settings on your phone. And from settings, go down to apps. Under apps, look for manage apps or all apps. And this will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Telegram, and here it is. And from here, go to for stop app and OK, and clear data. And then confirm by typing on clear cache, and finally OK. Now restart your smartphone, and now if you go to your phone, you shouldn't have now this pop-up, and if you try to open your Telegram app, it should now work normally. However, if this did not fix your problem, you're getting this pop-up again, then check and see if you're using any VPN app on your smartphone, turn it off or uninstall it from your smartphone. And also if you have any recently installed security app, also to uninstall it to see if that fixes your issue. But sometimes this might fail to fix your problem. If that's the case, you still experience it, go to Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone, search for Telegram and update your Telegram to the latest version. However, at this point, if you have updated your Telegram app but it still keeps on popping or stopping, then most likely your Telegram app has been infested with bugs. You need to uninstall your Telegram app and install it afresh to clear any bugs that might be associated with your Telegram app. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.